Recording in progress.
Okay, good evening, everyone. Good to see everyone here in this room. Today hi, Sok Ling. Who else is here? Nicole, Willie, Valen, Roy, Monesh, is it the one I met in the Saturday? Naveen, who else? Noah, okay. Okay, Clifton. Okay, how many are here on Saturday's event, the Kickstart event? Like me, but here in the event. Wow, okay, very good. Quite a lot of people were there. Okay. I felt that it was a bit too short for me because I wanted to connect with y'all one-to-one. Some of y'all maybe have not met y'all, so I wanted to spend time to connect with y'all. But I end up taking photo in the front. Don't have much time to connect with y'all. But good news. We're gonna do this again in the future. Okay, so today we just have our meeting. We're gonna go do this event at least annually. We will do this event annually for our Kickstart event. Okay, so how many of y'all enjoyed the event? Type me if you enjoyed the event. Okay, good. Okay, today event also open to public. Okay, so if public, you have any comments, feel free to comment, feel free to like, feel free to share the post also. Okay. Yes, no recording because if you want to record, then we need to get the kind of professional recording. No point in do Zoom, so it's not going to be nice. Okay. Okay, so as usual, let's begin. Let's start. We have public about 33 of you joining us. Graduates, we got 155 of you right now. I think later we have some more. Hi, Yang. Yeah, we have some more later. Okay, so as usual, let's go through the markets. And then later, okay, I want to do a bit of changes this week. Okay, or at least I'll test out something. Okay. Because what I noticed is the demand for individual stock sometimes will be more than just market outlook. Yes or no? How many think that market outlook is like compared to like individual stocks? How many think which one we all prefer? Individual stocks outlook or just the market outlook? Because market outlook sometimes can be repeated lah, yes or no? Okay, so what I want to do is okay, maybe I will do this in that case since a lot of you all say both. Okay, so what I'll do, I'll cut short the market outlook because do you all notice market outlook is a bit of repeat, yes or no? That yes, if you agree, like my weekly view the whole year for Nasdaq never change at all. Yes or no? For NYSE, I think S&P 500, I think changed once. I think there was one sell, okay, and then buy again. So, but in general, weekly no change, okay. But I think I'll cut that short, okay. Maybe stick it to maybe less than 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Then I want to spend more time to do individual stocks. Last time, individual stocks used to be only like 3 stocks, top 3 stocks. But I noticed that a lot of people that asking for stocks, and also one thing that sounds Sin Huat who mentioned that also can go through the scan. The only challenge with doing the scan is because I'm doing the scan today. And the best stock may not appear today. It may appear one day later or one day earlier. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So it does not mean that when I choose the stock today, that means this stock is going to be the best stock for the next few days. Does it make sense or not? But anyway, I will do my best to do a scan also so that at least some revision again. Okay. And go through that thought process of choosing the stock also. Hi, Kelvin. Okay. So understand what I'm saying? So we will stick the training, the market outlook to maybe 10 15 minutes, and then we will spend more time to do individual stocks. And at the same time, we're going to do some training also. Yes, Roslyn is also good. Why? Because this should not be a tips session. That yes, if you understand why. Okay, this public, even public, or whether it's the graduates group, it should not be a tips session, because if you end up being a tip session, because understanding one thing, trading is about probability, yes or no? Okay, if you just treat it as a tip session and say, oh, Collin say buy this one, then buy this one, right? Number one, if you will not learn. Number two, you feel that, hey, this is the correct way. This is the way to make money. In reality, that is not. Do you follow what I'm saying? In reality, what you need to do is really to learn how to do it and be able to do it on your own. Do you follow what I'm saying? So I'm very also mindful that do not make it into a tip session. Okay, we should actually go through the thought process or why we think this is good, why we think this is not good. Okay, into the picture. Okay, so this is what we want to do. Incorporate some of the individual stocks into training also. Okay, let's save some time. Okay, whatever I share with you today is for education purpose. Disclaimer first. These are not advice to buy and sell. Type yes if you understand. Okay, thank you. Hi, Zach. Okay, public, don't have any public comment. Okay, anyway, if public, you all can comment. I can also see your comment over here right now. Okay, so anyway, let's go through the market first. Okay, so same thing, we go through first S&P 500. Okay, S&P 500, and we can see, okay, weekly chart first. Weekly chart is what? Weekly chart is uptrend, yes or no? No change. Since from here onwards, it has been uptrend, no change. Got it? Or type yes if it's the same last week also, no change. Okay, so it is still going uptrend. Okay. If you go to the 2040 MA, you can see the 10, 20, 40 line up correctly. 10, 20, 40. So it is uptrend. Okay. I also mentioned that this is last week also, this is a strong uptrend. Yes or no? This is a strong uptrend, so you can also look at 10 MA. Or seems like never even pull back to 10 MA. Look like one to rebound again. Yes or no? That yes, if you can see that. Okay. So in my long-term view, everyone should already know. My long-term view of the long-term as in weekly chart. What is the view? Bullish or bearish? Bullish or bearish? Bullish. Okay, later we then talk about the timing. Okay, bullish. Okay, there is no change. The trend is bullish. Okay, how many of you here missed the Saturday class? Type miss. Okay, type miss. Always type me. Type miss. Very funny, right? Okay, in the event, I say, what did I say? I say, do you all agree? Type yes in the live event. I say type yes if you agree. It's so funny, right? It's like instinctively. Raise your hand if you agree. Okay, so if you all miss it, I want to share with you all some of the things. Okay, actually, my part was not supposed to be so long, but because there was a game that was being, I'm supposed to do a game. Okay, but I think some issue with the registration and things like that. So I end up didn't play the game. My 5-minute session end up becoming a half an hour talk. Okay, but anyway, I want to share your cut short everything. Okay, cut short everything. My view is first half of the year, market will still be bullish. Okay, type yes if you understand. First half of the year, markets should still be bullish. We are quite close to the all-time high. All-time high is here. Okay, right now, really don't have that news effect yet. Okay, but let's say example in the next few weeks, in the next few months, if we break all-time high, do you think the newspaper, all the internet will flag this out. S&P 500 break all-time high. Definitely lah, yes or no? S&P 500 flag all-time high, blah, blah, blah. Then people will start to rush in. Okay, people will start to rush in. Those people who are sidelined last year because they hear from all the analysts that the market is bearish, right? So whole of last year, nobody buy. Those who didn't buy, this year will start to FOMO in again. Do you follow what I'm saying? And I also mentioned during the Saturday class, there are a lot of money still sidelined. Okay, even though the still money sideline not invested yet. Okay, so in the first half of the year, my view is still bullish. In the second half of the year, then need to be more careful. What's the reason we say second half of the year need to be more careful? What's the reason? Because if you look into the pause of the interest rates, okay, pause of the interest rate stop rising. Yes or no? Stop rising. And if you will see over the last many years, right, over the last 20 years, when interest rates stop rising, okay, when interest rates stop rising after about 6 months to a year, then what happened to the market? The market may come down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Okay, so right now haven't 6 months to a year yet, okay, but if we were to compare this with I think we can do a revision because it's a new year. Okay, so you can see from here, this below here is the interest rates, on top here is the S&P 500. I think I just do monthly chart. Okay, so everyone is 1 month. Okay, every candle here is 1 month, and you can see the previous time when they pause interest rates, and after they pause, when they start to cut interest rate, the market comes down. Can you see here? That yes, if you can see here, okay, this is the last pause. This is the last month that they pause, and after that you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 months later, we had a down already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, 8 months later, we see a low in the market. Within 6 months, we will see a high after pause. Okay, this is the beginning of the pause. After the beginning of the pause interest rate, 6 months, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we will see higher. Yes or no? In fact, this pause over here, the market went up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 months. That yes, if you understand, after they pause, interest, the stock market continue to go up for 7 months. That yes, if you make sense. Okay, so now 4 months. After 7 months, the market continue to rally. Okay, on the weekly chart, it's more obvious. Okay, on the weekly chart, you can see here. So after they pause, okay, then until around here, market continue to climb up higher. Yes or no? Okay, climb higher. Okay, so that is about, here is about 8 months. 8 months, market continue to climb higher. Okay, that was the last time. Okay, after they pause and they start to cut interest rates, initially the market may react positively, but after that there is a down. Okay, this is the COVID down. Okay, after pause, down. Okay, so this one same over here. This is 2005. So this was the initial pause. Yes or no? This is the initial pause. Let's go monthly chart again. So from the initial pause, ready. From the initial pause, and after how many months? After about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1 year lah. Okay, 1 year market hit the top. Can see not? That one was 9 months, then 1 year. Usually in the initial start of the cut, there may be one last up. Okay, like example here, the initial cut, can you see from here to here, they got 3 months, very small rally. Okay, very small rally. Don't trade this rally. The initial cut. Then after that, the market come down. What I want to share with you more is at this moment, we already paused already. How many months? We already paused already 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months, 4 to 5 months. Like 5 months, if you make sense. Okay, so this is paused already 5 months. Okay, have we cut yet? No. Have we say we're going to increase more? Right now, the next thing is paused. Or 4 to 5 months, right now we are. That's why I say this may be the last burst of fire. Okay, last burst of fire. The last burst of fire is after the pause. Market continue to rise higher. In 2005, it went up 1 year. In 2019, it went up about 8 months after the pause. Okay, so this is some steps for you to know. So knowing this information right now, do you understand why I say that right now market may still be going up? However, if you are a bit longer term, if you look at history, when they start to cut, then market will come down. Yes or no? That yes, if you understand. So history repeat itself. Okay. I also mentioned in the Saturday's class, Saturday's what's it called? Saturday's kickstart. Okay. In this part of the cycle, late part of the cycle, that is when news become very bullish. When news become very bullish, when market hit all-time high, news will become very bullish. Okay, they will say inflation under control, growth is good, market is doing well, and things like that. So this will give you that draw people in. Got it? I'll draw people in. Okay, but if you are part of the SMT community, you should start to what? Okay, as you go to 8 months, 6 months, 8 months, what should you do? Should you also listen to the news and join in the fun or not? You should be lightening. Do you follow what I'm saying? Type yes if you understand. Cut means cut interest rate. Okay, so that is for the first half of the year bullish. We got. Don't always. This is average. Don't always say sure will be 6 months. Okay, plus minus. Okay, roughly there. You can take some off the table. Okay. Anyway, just to show you some more stats. After the pause, usually market rally, this time rally 17%. From pause, market rally 17%. Okay, from here, after the pause, 1 more month later, after the pause, market rally 21%. Give you some context. Got it? Okay, so give you some context of that. Right now, market has paused. Okay, market has paused. Market right now run up from here to here. Right now, about 4% only. Okay, so for the year, still bullish. Second half of the year, be more careful. Got it? That good if you understand. Okay, right now we have like 350 in the public and still 96 in the. And that 50 in the public, in the graduates group, got about 96 in the public group. No, this public very little. I don't know why. Okay, anyway. Okay. So that will be the stock market outlook. Okay, the stock market outlook. Okay. Next thing also maybe just to share for those that are not around. Last year, beginning of last year, I asked you all to buy what? Beginning of last year. Start with B1. Last year, I asked you to buy what? Beginning of last year. Bitcoin, yes or no? How many bought BTC or Bitcoin beginning of last year? Like BTC or Bitcoin. Okay? If you were to bought last year Bitcoin, you damn what lah. Okay? From last year, 2023, January here. Okay? All the way to here. Roughly, you're up about 86%. Okay? 86%. Okay? That is from January. Actually, December also I mentioned that. But anyway, Bitcoin may still have some leg to go. Okay? We still have some leg to go. The date is next year, April. Okay? Next year, April, then maybe you want to consider selling. I also mentioned it during Friday's class, there may be a dip. Yes or no? There may be a dip in the market. Actually, after I mentioned the market really deep, yes, you all see yesterday and the day before? The market deep in last few days. Okay, so the market deep. You can use whatever guide that you all can use. Okay, you can use a 10 MA to guide you in. Okay, anywhere I think below the 40,000 is a good buy. Got it? And then you can buy, or you can dollar cost averaging and hold it for 1 year. My view. Okay? My view. Anything below 40,000, you can buy. Okay? Right now, at this moment, what is it doing? It's consolidating the gains from here to here. Okay? Anywhere, 40,000 plus minus. 42,000 also okay. Okay? But plus minus. You understand? Okay, if you can draw a box, that will be the box. The box will be. You understand what I'm talking about? This is the box. Okay. 40,200 to 44,600. That's the box. Type yes if you understand. So this box is this one. Okay. So daily chart will be this box. Okay. Can buy Bitcoin ETF. I think better just buy Bitcoin or just buy Bitcoin. Okay. Coinbase may be a bit affected by ETF. Why is it that Coinbase may be affected by the ETF? Coinbase. Where's Coinbase? Why do you think Coinbase will be affected by the ETF? It's because now we have it easier to buy Bitcoin. Okay, so those people who wants to buy Bitcoin, those new normies, those people never buy Bitcoin before. They will just go to their brokerage account, their IBKR or their whatever brokerage account, and just buy. Easy for them. Do you follow what I'm saying? But let's say, example, you're like YF like that, still figuring out how to buy Bitcoin, like need to open up exchange and blah, 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 too many steps. They may not want to open a crypto account. Do you follow what I'm saying? Open crypto account, then how to buy, how to fund, things like that. They may not do it. They may just use their brokerage account to buy the Bitcoin ETF. Do you follow what I'm saying? That's how Bitcoin, Coinbase get affected by the Bitcoin ETF. Okay? Yes, if you understand. Okay? Why the rest, let's say example, Mara and things like that, right? Why they drop? Okay? Why they drop? I think if your view, right? If your view is that Bitcoin will go up, Bitcoin will go up from now until plus next 1 year. Now is a good time to buy mining. Do you follow what I'm saying? Yes, if you understand. So Coinbase and mining, which one will you prefer? Knowing this new information. Mining, okay? Why? This one quite obvious. It's like if you don't know, then need to beat backside. It's very easy, okay? See like that. Can see or not? Type yes if you can see. Okay. Nice or not? Nice, right? Okay, so this is resistant. This is resistant. Breakout of resistance. Buy at support. Got it? Okay. Buy at support. So very nice. If you never buy, 1 year later, then okay. Same for Riot also, right? Okay, so same for Riot. Okay, this is Riot and Mara. Which one is better? Riot and Mara. Which one is better? Guess anyway. You can guess lah. Which one is better? Okay, this is Riot. This is the sound that one is Mara. Okay, it's Mara. Which one is better? I feel that Mara is better. Okay, Mara is better. Nicer lah. Oh, nicer. Any question? So actually, Mara today, this few days is good time to buy lah. Yes or no? Okay, can see or not? Like yes, can see. Oh, so you all got the first, not tips, not tips, guys. Type yes if you understand it's not tips. Okay, lose money, no need to look for me. Okay, win money, also no need to look for me. Okay, win money, if you can put in the Facebook group, that would be good. Encourage the rest. Okay, got it, Tokenize a bit different. Tokenize actually, if you ask me, it's not so into this US. They don't have presence in US, correct? Okay, and I think they are affected by other things. TKX is affected by other things. Okay. Anyway, if you all bought TKX, you all should be quite happy. Yes or no? Oh, if you all bought TKX last 1 year, you all should be quite happy also. Okay. Anyway, let's move on. Yeah. So buy and be hold for 1 year, guys. If you all want to do a setup, what kind of setup can you do? Okay, you can do maybe put a stop if you want. If you feel that this is continue to go down, then you will put a stop below the 40 MA. Or you buy here, you put a stop below 40 MA, should be quite safe. My view. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand my view. Okay. Coin also can let's say example, think about it. If all the crypto go up, do you think Coinbase will still go up? Yes lah, will still go up. But not right now, it's affected because of this Bitcoin ETF. But if all the crypto go up, all the altcoin go up, things like that, they don't have other altcoin. Yes or no? Yes or no? They only have Bitcoin ETF. They don't have like Solana ETF or ETH ETF yet. So people will still still open up account. Okay, so if more people know about crypto, good or no good, generally good still good for Coinbase. Okay, how does the ETF buy Bitcoin? They just buy they buy and then put custodian. I think the custodian is Coinbase. Custodian Coinbase. Okay, so Mara, right? All this can buy and hold for a year yeah, correct. Guys, you all need to look at your own setup. Okay, whether is it Mara or Coinbase or Riot, you all need to look at your setup. Let's go to Riot. Okay, setup. If you want to buy here, right now this is coming down, right? Okay, you'll buy here weekly chart. Okay, weekly chart. You can see stop loss where. Put stop loss where. Stop loss maybe I think below $10 okay, below $10. Okay, now it's about $11 plus, below $10. Okay, I'll buy today. Anyway, this is not like must buy today. Anyway, today market close, but it's not a must buy today. What you need to do is you have like a few weeks to buy. Does it make sense or not? It's not like must buy today, right? You got 1 year mark, right? But you're looking at the next 40, 50 candles should be higher than here based on what I see. Okay. If later no end. Okay, let's finish up the rest of the index first. Let's go to Nasdaq. Okay. Nasdaq is long term. It is still what? Bullish. That yes, if you understand, it's still bullish. We have the green candle going up. Okay. Anyway, for those people who are public, if you want to join us for the next, you want to be part of our SMT community, you can go to this link CollinSeow.com/SWB to join us. The next preview is tomorrow. Okay. Type in SMT graduate. We have 380 of you. Okay. So type in SMT if you were to recommend members of public that you do not know to join SMT. Okay, so these are the people. Thank you for being here. Okay, so maybe you should do some SMT okay, so yeah, so for those that still considering to be part of the community, join us tomorrow. Okay, we have a Zoom class tomorrow. We will talk about what is this SMT community about. We have things like our weekly webinar that we do for our graduates. Okay, our graduates, some of them graduated last year, some of them graduated 3 years, some of them graduated long time ago. Okay, type in the year that you graduate. See who is the oldest here. Oh, during the class, during the kickstart, I see a lot of very old students. Is better. I say, wow. Okay, but I see quite a lot of old students there. Okay, so okay, next. So come for the preview, and then we'll show you what is it about. Okay, it is not a few days class; it is a lifelong community. Okay, so back to our Nasdaq. Okay, back to our Nasdaq. You can see this is bullish. Okay, we can see the price guiding the 10 MA guiding the price. Yes or no? Yes, you can see. Okay, the 10 MA is guiding the price. Okay, it touched the 50 MA, 50 CCI. A strong uptrend. A strong uptrend may not correct to a -100. It may correct to 0 and then start to rebound already. Okay, so in this case, you see 0 and it rebound. That means this is strong or weak. Strong. Okay, it's strong. Okay, when was the last time it never pulled back to 100 and then rebound? Here, can you see? Can you see it pulled back to 10 MA and then rebound? Oh, can you see that? Got it? So this is an example of a very strong uptrend. And when does this happen? After a prolonged up. You see? After a prolonged up ready. Can you see that? After a prolonged up ready, the pullback only 2 weeks and then a strong rebound again. Oh, so you can see here, same thing after a very strong uptrend, short pullback. So in the next few weeks, we have rally. But I'm very scared of this kind of rally. Oh, because this kind of rally is, how to say, when new blood come in. Okay, new blood come in, it anyhow whack on. Oh, then maybe our public webinar now is 119 of you. Maybe another few months time, we have more people. Yes or no? Now nobody talk about the stock market. Seriously, yes or no? Nobody talk about stock market. Not interesting. Crypto maybe a bit. But stock market, nobody looking at it. Wait till the S&P break all-time high, Microsoft break all-time high, then you will see people start to talk about stocks. Microsoft, can you see strong or weak? Strong, Can you see not? Strong, touch rebound, all-time high already. Oh, very strong. Okay, this may be something you want to take a look in the market right now. Okay, Mara, Riot, Microsoft. Okay, for trading for trading purposes. Of course, if you want to trade the pullback is better because right now it's already breakout already. Got it? Okay, it's already breakout. If you see the TOPT, we have the dot here, strong uptrend. Okay, S&P 500 also came out the signal, not this week or last week. It has came out a signal a few weeks ago here. Oh, okay. You can buy one share yes or no? Just buy one share. No need to buy like Microsoft can just buy one share okay. Don't buy cheaper. Okay, remember this thing don't buy cheaper. So let's say example got two stock, right? EVA got two stock Let's say market go up, this one go up more, this one go up less. Market go down, this one go down less, this one go down more. Then when market go up again, which one should you buy? Should buy the strong one, not the weak one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Oh, so strong get stronger, weak get weaker. Oh, so buy the strong one. Oh, it's just example like Microsoft versus what? What's the other company? Microsoft long time ago is what? Let's say 10 years, 20 years ago. Microsoft operate Linux or what? IBM, example IBM. You know what? So you must think of it like that, okay? Or Apple versus Creative like that. Okay, so strong one means strong, big one means big. Okay, so generally don't fight. The strongest one, you go to screener, GPS, look for NASDAQ, rank the market cap, strongest to weakest. This is the list to take a look. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Okay, this is the list to take a look. The exact entry may not be today. Okay, may not be this week, but you can go in and you can see where is the entry, whether it's position weekly or position daily or position weekly. You can see where's the entry. Okay, use the entry exit based on GPS. Got it? Okay, so next I want to talk about Hang Seng Index. So Hang Seng Index will be I say this year, if you have something that you want to buy, no need to sell one. Okay, that means let's say S&P 500, you need to trade. Yes or no? Based on what I think, you need to trade it. Got it? You need to trade. That means you need to buy and then sell and then buy. Maybe later then need to do certain action. You trade. But Hang Seng Index is, let's say example, you buy now and then you fall asleep for the next 2 years. This will be something that you can look at the Hang Seng Index. Right now at this level, this is like how to say? Every 5 years or so, got one buying opportunity. Every 5 years. So you see, 1998, one opportunity. 2003, one opportunity. 2007, one opportunity. 2020, one opportunity. And right now. Okay, monthly chart even clearer. Got it? Monthly chart even clearer. Don't need this. Okay, you can see this is 20 over years. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times to buy only. Also every 5 year one time. So you buy, hold it for at least, I will say at least you want to see the top, maybe at least 2 years, 2.5 years. Okay, you calculate now from here, you plus another 2 years. Let's say example, Hang Seng Index, monthly chart, delete everything. Okay, so monthly chart, then you see from here, monthly chart, no need to see the channel, but just see here, right? If you were to, it didn't even cover 1989, better even, yes or no? That yes, you can see. So if 1989, this data is longer than this one. This one is until 1995 only. But you can see the data until 1989, 87. Those good in math one, 87 until 23. How 1987 until now? How many years? Help me. Around 87 until now, 36 years. Okay, 36 years. So you got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 opportunity to buy only. Not a lot. So every 6 years, one time. Can you all see that? This is the even older data until 1989. Until 1987. 36 years, only 6 times. Oh, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the 7th time. Okay, so think about it. Okay, of course you can see that you can say, oh, this one now change. Don't have lah. Okay, don't have. Okay, no need to. In my opinion, don't have lah. Okay, they always say what this time is different lah. Okay, I feel don't have lah. Why is it so? Why is it so? Why is it so? It's because why? This is just to keep up with inflation only. Do you follow what I'm saying? Keep up inflation only. Oh, that's all. That's all. Just keep up inflation only. Just inflation alone will make it go already. Okay. How to choose? Again, you can go to here, look for Hang Seng Index, Hong Kong market, choose the big cap. Or choose big cap. Guys, this one very important. Don't anyhow buy. Okay, don't go and buy one penny stock in the index. Or choose the blue chip. All these are the blue chip over here. Or you can also time it. Okay, you can also time it. For example, you say, I want to buy. Okay, choose one. Let you all choose. Choose one. Ping An, let's say example. Okay, let's say I'll buy Ping An. Long term, long term. Then go to here, monthly chart. Okay, guys, most of this stock, right, will be bearish one. Do you follow what I'm saying? Most of this stock will be bearish. It means the candle will be red color one. Got it? Will be red color one. Okay, so just understand it's like this lah. Okay. I also mentioned in the Saturday's class, the fundamentals is good or bad right now. Good or bad? Very bad. Yes or no? I mentioned in Saturday's class. Very bad. Most people think it's going to get worse. What? Most people think that it's going to get worse. Okay? It's going to get worse. But is it the time to buy? In a Saturday class, I say already, is it time to buy? Yes. It's like that one. Okay? Why is it like that? Because it's like that. Because it's like that. It's like that. Okay? Same thing. Same thing. When you go to COVID, March, this is good or bad? Very bad. Yes or no? Very bad. In fact, in March, April season, full lockdown in Singapore, right? People think that we will get worse. Do you all still remember that? Yes, if you remember 3 years ago, Most people think that it will get worse because they say the vaccine need 2 years, lockdown at least another 1 year. Yes or no? Yes. Same thing lah. For global financial crisis at time, right? At the market bottom, news is very bad. And most people think that it's going to get worse. Okay, it's going to get worse. So that is the stock market for you. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Like, yes, if you understand. Okay. Don't know what to buy, just buy the index. Okay. STI. Let me show you all where I can find this news. Okay. The day I share with you all this interesting trivia. Trivia is what? The trivia is when the STI was at the all-time high this day, somewhere around these few days, 10/10/2007. Okay, 10/10/2007. Let me see if I can find the news. Maybe cannot because this is so long ago. Don't have. I thought can find, but it's around that day or plus minus less than a week. Okay, plus minus less than a week. Okay, that time is when the news came up. Singapore news came up. All engine firing. Singapore economy powering forward, right? And all the news was good. Okay. Last time I can find, now cannot find, news too long already. Okay, but that was actually that day is actually the newspaper headline. Okay, or maybe nearer one you just go and search COVID news, right? Somewhere in COVID news in here March 24th of March 2020 news. The news should be 100% bad, and nobody will say that next 6 months will be better. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, nobody will say that next 6 months will get better. Nobody, everybody will say that it's going to get worse. Okay. Here. Thank you. I can find this kind of article very interesting. Okay. So like this is November November 2007. Okay, you can see economy boom widen. Okay, and then not the exact news but you can see that a lot of you are bullish. Okay, a lot of you are bullish. Okay. Anyway, if I have time, I will look for your order. Where is this article? Zach, this one you see. Singapore all engine firing. This one is where? Is on this newspaper article? Oh yeah. Singapore economy is firing in all cylinder. Booming construction sector, record tourists, financial sector, all contributing to the domestic. Okay, and set to growth. Okay, there's things like that. Okay, so November you buy. After that, Cui. Okay, Cui for how long? Cui for ever since this is October, this is November. Okay, this day you buy, and I'm talking about not like 10 years later. I'm talking about you buy on November after reading this news. After reading this news, then you show and everything already, right? Then after that, the next thing market correct 58%. Do you understand what I'm talking about? Like, yes, if you understand. So don't read news. News is there to confuse you. Okay? Can or not? Okay, don't read news. Good news, bad news, also don't read. Okay. Okay, just come back to Ping An again. Of course, you need to be patient. Why? Because the news are bearish. Yes or no? the news are bearish, you need to be patient. But the context here, you fall asleep, correct or not? You fall asleep for a few years, correct? So after you buy, you fall asleep. Do you follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, you don't keep looking. Or if you keep looking, then you hand it again. Okay? So you see, Ping An also reached that region already. Got it? Okay, if you ask me Ping An can buy, I think can buy already. Got it? 2318. I didn't draw the upper part, but you can just draw the upper part. You can see, right? Don't say until go until here. Let's say from here, right? Go back up to the higher is 78%. Can you see that? Got it? Okay, so all the rest are the same. All the rest are the same. Same for the Chinese bank. I don't go to individual stock first, because later I say I want to go save some time to touch individual stock. No time already. Okay. Anyway, let's go to STI first. Okay, I mix and match. Got some STI, got some individual stocks. Mix. Okay. So STI also same. But this thing about news, guys, you must get it. If you get it, you are better off than 90% of the people already. That yes, if you heard what I say. Why? Why is it that you're 90% better off than most people? Most people believe the newspaper. Anything that appear in the news generally, those people come out, they will believe. Yes or no? Those data that came out, they will believe. Got it? Make sense or not? They will believe all this news. Okay? So, maybe just answer the question, which you all may have. How many are curious? Why is it like that? Why is it like that? When very bullish news, then market top. Very bearish news, market bottom. Why is it like that? Type in the chat box. Why do you think it's like that? Sentiment, but why Like why? Stock market run ahead, but why? Okay, just imagine it's like that. Imagine it's like that. Yeah, let's say the whole world, right, only got 10 of us. 10 of us. Okay? So if 6 buy, 4 never buy, will the market still go up? 6 buy, 4 haven't buy, will the market still go up? Yes. 8 buy, 2 haven't buy, will the market still go up? Yes. 10 buy, 0 never buy, will the market still go up? 10 buy, nobody haven't buy, everybody bought already, will the market still go up? The answer is no. Do you understand what I'm driving at? So when everybody who want to buy would have buy already, there's no more buyer, then market will come down. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, that means there's no more fuel. Everybody is bullish, nobody is bearish, then market will come down. Same thing. When everybody is, if let's say 7% sell, 3 people still don't want to sell, will the market still come down? Maybe it will still come down. But if all who want to sell sold already, all that want to sell sold already, those people who never sell will never sell, then do you think the market will bottom? Yes. Do you follow what I'm saying? If let's say 10 out of 10, those people want to sell already, no more seller. After that, there's no more people want to sell, then the market will bottom. Got it? So using this principle, that's how you trade the market. Do you follow what I'm saying? It is not, guys, it's not about the earnings, the economy and things like that. You follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. Some people mistaken. Okay? Earnings, all this is already very slow already. How slow are they? Earnings, when they report, they come out the quarterly report, then you read the quarterly report, they read the annual report. How late are they? They're about 3 to 6 months late. 3 to 6 months late. So that means when you see this one, this thing, right? Singapore economic power forward is this thing, right? They will announce, they already saw the GDP numbers, whatever numbers, the company already announced the results, and then they came up with this conclusion. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand. That's why they came out with this one. But it's already late. You read this news and buy there, liao already. Or liao already. Because after that, that was the top, and then after that, market dropped 60%. Oh, in fact, I tell you the more stupid thing is it will still continue to be bullish for a while. Do you follow what I'm saying? That means even the market drop right now, maybe you go forward a bit, go to, let's say, 6 months later, in 2008, the market still bullish. Why? The market start to slide on hope already. Slide on hope already. Huh? So same thing. When the market bottom already, here, do you think the market is still bearish? Here, do you think the market is still bearish? Here, do you think the market is still bearish? Yes, the market is still bearish, but the market is ready. Do you follow what I'm saying? So it's like it's very difficult for new people to make money from the market. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Because it's always there to sabo you. Oh, okay, finish. Any other market? Nikkei 225. Okay, market up, trend is up, long term is up. Weekly chart is up also. Oh, okay. Strong or not? Strong, okay. Okay. I think I finished the index already. Type yes if you understand what I talk about just now, the last 10 minutes. If you understand what I talk about in the last 10 minutes and you really grasp it, you are better off than 90% of people already. Why? Not like, okay, and again, it's not reverse also. It's not reverse also. So as a trader, our job is not to time the buy the bottom and sell the top. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, our trader, we will not the purpose is not to buy the bottom and sell. It's not a trader. Okay, our trade as a trader, we want to, like, example, when 10 people, right, 3 person buy already, we be the 4th person to buy. Do you follow what I'm saying? Okay, 4th person to buy. Then got 5, got 6, got 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe even 11. After 10, then go down, right? Then we sell. So we just need to write the in between. We don't need to buy the lowest and sell the highest. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So then the next question, Collin, then why don't you just buy at the lowest and sell at the highest? You wait long, because let's say example, right now you are like the Hang Seng guy, right? Say, I only buy when the market crash. Then you got to wait very, very long, then can buy one time. Do you follow what I'm saying? Like example, you bought here, right, in 2009. You got to wait 11 years later, then can buy at the bottom again. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Like yes, if you understand. Oh, so don't go and, if you are not that kind that buy already, don't do anything, then you should not just aim the bottom, because it will take years before it come again. Got it? Same thing for the top. Okay, you want to short, you cannot. Okay, there's so hard to do it. So all you need to do is just to follow the trend. Use the same principle just like I cover. Let's say example, we go to SMT again. I just give you an example. SMT again. And let's say example right now, this is the, okay. Okay, nice. This is the like this, okay, something like that. So this is 0 people, this is 10 people. Okay, this is, you know what I'm saying? This is 0. Okay, so this is 0, this is 10. So this is about maybe here is maybe about 3. Okay, so this is 0, this is 10. Oh, so you don't buy when it's 0 because you don't know that's the bottom. But when you reach 3 already, you can buy already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? That yes, if you understand, 3 you can buy. You right until reach 10 here. 10 is the top here, right? Because you won't know on hindsight. At the time you don't know is 10, but by the time it is here, 10 become 9 already. 9 become 8 already. Then you should sell already. Do you all follow what I'm saying? So I just make from here to here enough already lah. Do you all follow what I'm saying? Oh, here to here is 35%. Got it? In fact, this one is actually higher, like it's 42%. So this is 0, this is 3, this is 10, this is maybe 9. So when go back to 9 again, wrong. Okay, now. So trading it is like that. Don't try and buy the bottom. Why? Because you thought this is 0. Okay? For example, you thought this is 0, then the 0 continue to go lower. No, you don't know, so don't need to time the 0. Example here, right? You thought that this is 0. Oh, this is 0. You thought this is up already. Then after that, come down again, come down again. So no need to time the 0. Oh, no need to time the 0. Wait for it to 0 form already. Become 3 already and clear already. Then you take action. Oh, that's the easiest. Make sense or not? That yes, if it makes sense. So this is trading. Okay. Okay, 9 o'clock. We started at 8. Okay, 1 hour already. Okay, so let's choose some individual stocks right now. We choose 5. And maybe we can learn something. Okay, Tesla. Okay, so Tesla right now is, today. Correct, we never go to our secret meeting. Okay, so can you all say bye to the rest? To the public first. Okay, public, one more time, come and join us in our SMT community. Go to this website, CollinSeow.com/SWT to join us, okay, in our community. Okay, right now we go to our secret meeting. Okay, type in SMT what, okay, SMT what, it's just last call, okay, SMT what for all the people who haven't joined our SMT community. Okay, good. Thank you guys for those public for joining us, the 139 of you all. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye. Okay, let's end.